Hey buddy, today in this video we'll show you how to make cumin wings in an air fryer. The first thing we'll need to do is add some garlic salt, some cumin powder, and some white pepper. There you go. And lastly, we'll add some avocado oil. And we're going to flip them, do the same thing again, real quick. Some garlic salt. Some cumin powder again. And then we'll add some white pepper again. Cooking oil spray. And that's it. Now we're going to preheat the air fryer at 400 degrees and we're going to be cooking them for 20 minutes total. And it's preheating. We'll be back. It's been preheated at 400 degrees. Now we're going to put in the wings. Okay, there you go. And now we're going to put it back in and let it cook for 10 minutes, and then we'll flip them. And we'll be back. It's been 10 minutes, and now we're going to flip them. Okay, we're going to flip them real quick. Looking good so far. And we're just going to spray just a little bit of avocado oil, just so that it doesn't dry out. Here we go, and we're going to put it back in for the last 10 minutes. And we'll be back again. The chicken's ready. Now we're going to take them out. Looking great. Okay. Right there. There you go. We have here cumin chicken wings made in an air fryer. Give it a try. It's delicious. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks!